you to the cutest little gremlins. Happy Halloween, boys. I got you some very, very special treats. Look at these beautiful treats. Look at. Ooh. You have to sit down. Whoopsies. There we go. You have to sit down. Look at. I got the pumpkin. A pumpkin. Oh, wait, leave it, sir. No. Sit down. Martin, sit down. You have to sit down like a good boy. Yes. And I got you, the ghost, a spooky bat. Ooh. Wait, leave it. You can't have it yet. I know I said it was for you. I know, honey bear. I know. Okay, are you ready to try this? Ooh. Martin, wait. Martin. I know you want to taste it. Okay. Who's the goodest boy? Gus, can you wave? Wave the pumpkin. There you go. Woo! Okay, Martin. Easy. Whoop. Oh, careful, honey bear. Martin, you have to wait. No. Wait. Okay, my goodness gracious. Do we have some hungry Martin, you just help yourself? Hey. Sir, Marty. Some of this is for Gus, you know. You have to sit down. Look at how cute. Gus barely got any of the last ones, so I'm going to split it up. Okay? Wait, Martin, no, don't help yourself. I would like to know, sir. Gus, what do you think? Wow! Martin! There. Okay, now Marty's turn. Okay. It's got a spider on top. How spooky is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, now, I need you guys. No, you can't have it yet. I don't even know if I'm going to put it down. I'm giving exactly half to both of you. Okay? There'll be... Marty, you're drooling. There will be no, Martin. There'll be no stealing each other's. Now, Martin, sit. Good. One for you. One for Gus. You gotta chew, buddy. One for Marty. One for Gus. Easy. Yeah, this is for Gus. You just had one. Easy. No more for you. Even Steven, sir. Can you shake? Oh, thank you. Okay, I thank you. I know you can shake. Thank you. Can you sit? Easy. Wait. Easy. Okay, Gus, can you shake? Oh, thank you. Okay, go. Wow. Hi. You are spooktacular, Marty.